The Central Board of Revenue's decision to enforce the new Central Excise and Sales Tax rules has evoked a strong reaction from the trade and industry circles. Full stop. Karachi's site Association of Industry has described the new rules as impracticable and unmanageable and asked for their withdrawal with immediate effect. Full stop. The Federation of Pakistan Chambers of Commerce and Industry too has deplored the indifferent attitude of the CBR to the plea of the private sector to say the implementation of the new rules till the release of the report of the National Taxation Reforms Commission, and appealed to the higher authorities to intervene in the matter. Full stop. Already, according to a report, many Karachi mills have been closed down in protest against the decision. Full stop. The CBR, which has made the rules, and the industrialists with whose cooperation the rules are to be implemented, have totally divergent views on the issue. Full stop. The former is of the view that the new ruler, framed on the demand of trade and industry, will simplify the maintenance of accounts and eliminate chances of pilferage of excise duty. Full stop. According to it, the number of forms and registers has been reduced from 2018 to 2020 and sureties from 18 to 4. Full stop. Moreover, according to the same source, enough advance notice was given to industrialists' point of view, however, is that the new rules are cumbersome and, instead of simplifying, will further complicate things. Full stop. They say that not only has the maintenance of raw material records now been made compulsory, but excise inspectors have also been given more powers. Full stop. There is clearly a wide gap in the perceptions of the two sides, but since the new rules cannot be implemented without the cooperation of trade and industry, it will be sensible if the CBR holds constitutions with industrialists with a view to removing their genuine difficulties. Full stop. In any case, the representatives of industry have asked for no more than holding the new rules in abeyance until submission of the Taxation Reforms Commission report, which is believed to have dealt with the subject. Full stop.